In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the 2021 profile picture badge on TikTok. Okay, so once you're loaded up TikTok, you'll be on the home screen and then you just want to go to the Discover tab, which is the magnifying glass next to the home button. And now you will see a banner at the top and you just want to scroll onto this banner until you find year on TikTok and then go ahead and tap on that. That's going to open up this page and then you just want to tap on the red get started button and it's now going to load up your 2020 year in review. So to go to the next slide, you just have to swipe up and it's pretty cool. You can read about it and you just need to swipe up until you get to the end. And once you have gotten to the end, you just want to tap on post on TikTok. And you can add a description however you would like and then tap on post. And once it has posted, you can go back onto your profile by tapping on the me icon at the bottom right. And you can see it now has been posted. So now if I go out of TikTok and back in again, you will now see the 2021 profile picture badge. So that is how you do it and it's very cool. So if you got some value out of this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.